Here we are on a farm over in Crewe this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer. Nice neat install. 9-inch galvanised cradle, lash to stack, 2-foot mast to keep below that active chimney pot. Nice clear line of sight. Cable run down, up, squared off right the way along, squared off there, and down into his comms room. This customer was having trouble with dropout from Sky, so now he's opted for a nice reliable Starlink, receiving speeds of over 200 megabytes per second. This is Aaron and Phil for Space Internet Solutions.